Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Find the amount of 40,000 dirhams after 2 years compounded annually. For compounding annually, the rate of interest is 15% per annum during the first year and 17% per annum during the second year. Also find compound interest. So what we have to do, we have to first find amount after 1 year and then we can find amount after second year. So we know for compounding annually, amount can be calculated using this relation A is equal to P multiplied by 1 plus R by 100 to the power T. Here A is amount after T years when P principal is invested at R rate. P is given as 40,000 dirhams. R is given as 15% per annum for first year and T will be 1 year. So let's calculate this. 40,000 multiplied by 1 plus 15 by 100 to the power 1. So that is going to be 40,000 multiplied by 115 divided by 100. So 0 cancels out. What we get is 4 5s are 20, 4 1s are 4 plus 2 is 6, 4 1s are 4 and double 0 over here. So what we get is amount of 46,000 dirhams at the end of 1 year. Now this amount will be used as principal for second year. 46,000 dirhams are used as P for next year. Now for next year, R is 17% per annum and time is again 1 year. Here also we have year. So let's calculate amount for next year. We'll use the same relation, amount equal to principal multiplied by 1 plus R by 100 to the power T. So that will be principal multiplied by principal is 46,000 multiplied by 1 plus 17 by 100. So that will be 46,000 multiplied by 117 divided by 100. We again cancel out these two zeros and let's multiply. So 117 multiplied by 46 will be 6 sevens are 42. 6 ones are 6 plus 4 is 10. 6 ones are 6 plus 1 is 7. 4 sevens are 28. 4 ones are 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 ones are 4. So what we get is 5382, and since there is a 0 over here, we'll add a 0 over here. So we get amount of 53,820 dirhams after the end of second year. So total compound interest will be final amount, that is A minus initial principal. So that will be 53,820 minus 40,000. Let's see, which is equal to 13,820 dirhams. CI we got as 13,820 and final amount that we got as 53,820. So answer to both the questions we have found.